Dr. Zakir, is it permissible for one who is unable to fast to feed one person for 30 days or 30 people in one day?
As far as fidya for a person who can't fast or is unable to fast, the Quran says in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 184, that if a person finds it difficult to keep the fast or finds fasting with hardship, then he can either fast or he can feed one indigent person for every fast that he has missed. So if a person who misses the full month of Ramadan, for example, and if he has to give fidya, he has both the options open. He either calls 30 people and feeds them together, so that compensates or gives fidya for all the 30 days that the person has missed, or he can even give one person fidya for 30 days. And each person should be given one sa of the staple food of that state or of that country. One sa is equal to 1.5 kilograms approximately. And both rulings are there, as it's mentioned in the ruling of Ibn Abbas in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 6, Hadith number 4505. In the commentary of this verse of the Quran, Surah Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 184, it says that those people who find it difficult to fulfill the fast, to complete the fast, they can either complete it or feed one indigent person. And it says that these type of people described are very old men and women, or those people who have permanent disability, or they have a disease which makes them difficult to fast. And both types of fast, as is given in the hadith of one of the Sahabas by the name of Anas bin Malik, may Allah be pleased with him. When he was old, the hadith says that he cooked some food and called 30 people and fed them together, the full fidya for the full month of Ramadan. So here it shows that you can either give cook food for them and feed them well, whether it be breakfast, whether it be dinner, whatever it is. Or the other option is, as is also agreed upon by Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal, Imam Shafi, as well as some of the Malikis, that you can also give uncooked food to one person for 30 days. One person only, give him uncooked food for 30 days, so that compensates or gives the fidya for the full month. This is also agreed. So the choice is also either feed one person for 30 days or 30 people for one day.
Okay.
Both is permissible.
Fine. Thank you.